a bird sanctuary and city. This place is a home to 1,000 birds. I'm surely visit again. Birds chirping is therapeutic. A festive of colorful birdies. A relaxing sound to devour. Close your eyes and listen to the chirping birds, a sound of nature in the heart of the city. A chorus of sweet-sounding birdies. Be sure to visit this bird sanctuary at Prince Bandar Street, in Al-Khobar, Saudi Arabia. How much is that birdie? Patty Page asked. When your life is over, there is a bird to cry for you. Pagpumanayang bahemo, maisang pipit naiat. Thank you for all my subscribers. I finally hit my target watch hours. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you will be informed when there's a new video uploaded. Thanks for watching.